Okay, sir.
All right.
Please
Will
introduce
you start?
yourself. Yes, yes.
Yes, definitely. Definitely, why not? I am Santanu Das. I am from West Bengal. And by professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. And if I talk about my hobbies, I already like playing cricket and football. And apart from, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. And ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sure. Thank you for asking. First of all, my name is Susmita Kausik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, now I'm doing master degree as well as I have done PGDC as a computer course also. I'm a married person, mother of one person. Nowadays, I'm totally homemaker. About nowadays, I'm running YouTube channel. Name is Global English Quest. That's all about me.
Yes, nice also. It is good to know about yourself. And we are meeting with video call in second time. But right now also you are speaking very fast right now. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you.
And, and ma'am,
Okay, what's going on
first of
your
all,
day?
please tell. Yes, right now is Sunday. Today is Sunday also, and it's going on very nice also. Yeah. And
Okay, I
first of
think
all,
it's
please tell
still
me how.
morning. Okay, okay, please
Yeah,
go
yeah.
ahead.
First, first of all, please tell me about how is the weather. Yeah, right now summer season is going on. Yeah.
Mhm. Yes, inside it's not too much hot. We feel comfortable, but outside it's too much hot. Yes, it's sunny day. Day by day it's increasing.
Yes.
Yeah, wind
In
is
our
very
locality,
hot.
also temperature is very high. Temperature is very high. Right now, also 43 degrees Celsius right now. Yeah. And temperature increase day by day. Yeah.
Yeah, it's increasing day by day. Yes, yes. Okay.
Yep.
How are you spending your holiday or today weekend?
Yes, actually, today is Sunday. Today it is Sunday today also. And but I am married, and that's why also I have to do a lot of work in my family. And since when morning time also, since morning also I teach my kids. I have one daughter also. Yeah. And after that also I went to market for some for buying some vegetables or fish. Yeah. And in the morning time also I was very busy, and right now also I'm free, and that's why also I'm talking with you. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. That's great. What is the time your duty time from morning to
Yeah,
evening?
I work. Yes, I work in a hospital. That's why also I have to do shifting duty in the hospital, morning, evening, night. Yeah. And if I go to the morning duty, that's why also I have to do go 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Yeah. And if I go to the
Okay.
evening duty, I have to go 1 p.m. to 7 a.m. 7 p.m. And if I go to the night duty, that's why also I have to go 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Yeah.
Okay, you can choose or they fixed your duty for which time you have
No,
to do.
no, I have to do shifting duty by roster basis. Yeah.
Okay, it's rotate system, I think.
Yes.
Okay, okay, that's great. Why you keeping
And ma'am,
blur behind you? Because always your behind is look so green, so beautiful.
yes. I am right now. Also, I am on the roof at my house. I every single day also I record the video in this place because there is a network connection is very good. Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's the reason.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, there is no too much hot. You are on the roof now. How?
Yeah. Also, this temperature is very high. Yeah. And the sun is shining above my head right now.
Yes, yes. How are you there then? You are not feeling hot?
Yeah. Yes. I'm feeling hot. Yeah. And
Okay,
ma'am,
that's great. You are putting too much effort and just sacrifice you are doing for learning this language then.
yes, definitely. Yeah. And ma'am, also I am
Okay.
asking one question. When started your English speaking journey, but what kind of rules did you follow?
Nothing special. I watch some videos, conversation videos or English related any videos, and sometimes I watch movies, podcasts, and sometimes I read, write. This kind of thing I do. Nothing special. What is very necessary to do that? This kind of thing I do.
Yes. Right now, also you're from Assam. Yeah.
Right now I'm UP.
Oh,
It's
you okay.
I will go in summertime, Assam.
Yes. And do you know Bengali?
Yeah, little bit.
Yes, yes. Maybe also you have told before also you know Bengali, yeah?
Yes, I know. I have friends. They were my some friends. They speak Bengali. They were Bengali
Yeah, yeah.
in my college
Ma'am,
time
right
or
now, yeah, you right now, so you are a family member. You have a one key, you have a one son also. I have watched in your channel also. They are, say, he also speaks very well. But how much time? How do you manage? How do you manage for your learning English, for your speaking English?
now, as a I'm a nuclear family in UP, so I can manage my time easily because my husband and my baby when go to school, then I'm free totally at home. That time I can manage everything very easily, and I can conversation with people. And if I talk about my baby can speak English, I always talk with him in English. That's the reason he is able to speak English.
Yes, yes, yes. And your son also going to school, but does he going to school in English medium? Does he go to school in English medium?
Yes, yes. This is English medium.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And right now also in our locality also I observe that most of the parents they are always sending their students in English medium. But why right now? So why English is important right now?
Yeah, English is nowadays necessary to do job everywhere, you know. If I talk about my example, I have done my all graduation level and post graduation also from Assamese medium. There in here there is no use. I can't use my education to anywhere just because of language, just because of I have done my all graduation education from Assamese medium. That's the reason I'm not able to go outside to do job now. So this language is now necessary to do job everywhere. That's the reason nowadays we have to, according situation, according how is going on our surrounding. That's why we have to manage our thing like this.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, also how much time do you practice every single day?
I think it's 4 and 5 hour.
4 and 5 hours.
Yes. Yeah, I'm doing like this. Yes.
Yes, yes,
Okay, I'm going to ask you some question. Okay, it's will
yes,
be
yes,
funny and
yes.
viewers can also some gain knowledge and they also enjoy. Okay, so tell me if you got some wishes, from genie, three wishes if you got, then which wishes you want to choose from genie?
Genie.
Yes. If you got three wishes from genie, then which kind of wishes you want to choose for your life?
Mm, three. I have to think. Yeah, I have to think also.
Yeah, yeah,
What
yeah.
kind of
Please take time. Please take time.
three
No need to
things?
be
Yeah.
hurry. Yes, you have to
Yes, yes.
choose three things from genie. Okay. Take your time, no problem.
One is also food. One is also food. Yeah.
Food.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Second
And
and third
second
one.
is also second is traveling.
Sorry?
Traveling.
Okay, traveling. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Third one.
And third is singing.
Singing. Okay. Okay, why you want to choose this wishes from genie?
Yes. Also, since childhood also, I watched a movie in Bengali. Hirok Raja Dese is name of the Bengali movie also, and
Okay.
they are also they are also in the King of the Ghost. They also ask the questions in the actor. You also you. Um, you can want to three things also you can and they also choose three things: food and traveling and singing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you doing copy from there?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what you think about why you choose this thing? In according you choose for food, travel, and singing. What you think about why you want to choose this kind of thing?
But actually, food is a very mandatory. Yeah. If you get the food every single day, and so there's no problem. Yeah. You have to you have to know work also. Yeah.
But the food and the travel, no need to ask from anyone, from genie. You can do easily. You can survive your
Yes.
life. Which kind of there is any special food you wanna want from genie?
Oh, also, I am Bengali person also. I know I have no special food also. Most of the Bengali person always like also fish, rice, dal, curry, this kind of foods, and many kind of sweet also, rasagolla, sandesh. Yeah, this kind of sweets also are available in Kolkata also.
Okay, but you could choose any special things also to go outside, visit outside, to visit a whole world.
Yeah, I also always like traveling. Yeah, I also always like traveling. Yeah, that's why also I also choose the second option is traveling. Yeah.
Traveling. Okay, okay, yes, yes. You wanna go outside, out of country?
No, no, no. I did not go there. I did not go any other country also. But I am willing to go there. Yeah.
You want to go outside?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. If Genie told you, um, you have to choose any one wishes from this, from those three wishes. Would you like to choose? Which one would you like to choose from these
Those
three
three.
wishes?
Yes.
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 Which one you most prefer from these three things?
Yeah. Food is important. Yeah.
Food, okay. But I'm thinking about no need to ask food because this is simple. You always getting food. You are doing job. So why you want to ask food? You could ask some other things also. Special thing.
No, food is necessary. Food is mandatory. Most of the people they are every single day also they are work also only for food. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great, sir. Okay.
I Yes. Yes. I also asked the repeater also you also and what is the main thing main three also you have selected. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. If I choose three things, then I will choose my good career, good position, good level, and yeah, I want to be a settle in good position. This kind of thing I want to choose. Yeah.
Number one. Yeah.
Number
And
one, yeah,
second.
I want to do job. I want to be a depend on myself. Second one is I want to settle somewhere, and I want third one I want to be independent. No need to depend to anyone. I don't want to depend to anyone. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am also.
If I depend myself, then whatever I want to do in my life, I can do. If I want to help to other person, then I can help to other person also. No need to depend to any other one. That's the
Yes.
reason
Yes.
I want to be independent and depend on myself. That's the thing
Yeah.
I want to ask from Ginny. But this is just a imagine, just for fun. This is not true. Okay, okay. Tell me the
And
one thing more. If you want to change your life, then what you want to be? What your dream life?
yeah, also since childhood, also I always like teaching. Yeah, I always like teaching. But that's why also when I was starting in my college, at the same time also I was teaching at my home as a private tutor, in mathematics subject. And that time also there were 120 students in my sixth batch. Yeah. But right now also I don't teach because I have to do shifting duty in the hospital. I don't get free time. Yeah, but I always like teaching.
Okay, you want to be a teacher? I'm asking you,
Yes,
what
yes,
is the thing? Okay, okay, you want to be a teacher. Why you don't like
yes,
your
yes.
own job now? What you are doing?
Yeah, yeah, I have to do shifting duty morning, evening, night, and night duty is so difficult for me in the hospital. Yeah, that's why also I don't like this type job also.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining me. I think we have to, hang up the session. Now we will
Yes,
connect
yes,
again.
yes. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. All right,
I'm
ma'am.
going to
Nice
stop
to meet
this
you.
session.
Yes, yes. Take care.
Thank
Bye
you
bye.
so
Have a good
much
day.
for joining. Thank you so much
Yes.
for joining. Okay.